So when you first come in the foyer here, it feels very spacious, just because this whole area really opens up nicely. And two, with the slider and the windows, it pulls your eyes kind of around. It's actually very nice, balanced out with a lot of natural lighting. Very, very nice kind of first impressions. The bedroom was large, definitely kind of situated more like an office or trophy room or something like that. This is your half bath right off the foyer. It's another great element for hosting. So this area was nice. It was kind of like a little bar setup they had, kind of like a little wine rack and whatnot. The kitchen island was very, very nice, very long. Another great element for hosting. And you know, if you're a true cook, you need that countertop space. A lot of storage throughout, and again, this kind of common area, how everything is kind of fallen into place here. No matter if you're watching TV, hosting people, cooking, you got people kind of hanging out at the dining room, you're all still in the mix together. Coming off to the kitchen, you have this large pantry area, very nice. So, you know, if you are a cook, you're going to really appreciate that. HVAC system inside. And then come look at this laundry. This laundry is freaking massive. This is where the hidden gem for me was. You come in through the garage and you have this storage area, and it has a window. So when you come in there, it actually has a pretty nice feel to it. It doesn't feel like that dungeon that most of them feel. Here's bedroom 2. Great size. I mean, look at this. It's a true ensuite. You almost have like 2 masters in this home. This is truly a great plan. Come on, look at this closet. That's for bedroom 2. Like, geez. This might be one of my favorite lanais that I walked, because simply it has kind of like, it's a little bit more private this way. You know, you're not hanging out way over here off to one side, so you got to worry about a neighbor or this or that. You're kind of in between. You're kind of got some privacy on both sides. With all these, you got the big slider here and nice windows here. I mean, it's kind of like makes it very easy to go indoor and outdoor, and still have a little privacy for you and your family. Now this is the owner suite. Great size room, great windows, great natural light. This bath, massive. This walk-in closet, massive. You know, all in all, it's hard to beat this plan in my opinion. Those were my initial thoughts. Also, I put some resources in the description below. Hope it helps.